Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Today is February the 17th, 2026. Thank you so much, excuse me, for joining me today. Greatly appreciated. A couple things. I'm going to show you the new stamping position machine. I'm going to play around with it today. Also, starting tomorrow and for 3 days, free shipping on anything over $100. If your order isn't over $100 and you'd like to do porch pickup, just send me your order and I'll add it to mine and we'll send it in. And then you'll save, excuse me, just have to pick it up. I do live in the Winnipeg area though. That's the only thing. Okay, so let's get started. This tool is so cool. I was playing around with it and I think it's going to be one of my favorites. So you can receive this free with your starter kit. So you can choose $165 worth of product of your choosing from the annual catalog, online exclusives, mini catalog, clearance rack. And then they will send you this in your packet as well. So I don't even know where to start. Okay, so this is the machine. I have a stamp set in there because I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned. So it comes with 2 plates, a larger one. So this for doing, like if you're doing a bigger, I'm going to just bring this in. So say you're doing this right here. You can place that right there. We're using this flower right here for this morning. And they also have a smaller one. So, okay, so let's just start with this one. Oh, okay. We'll just show you what it comes with. It comes with 2 plates. It comes with a base that has a foam on the back, so it stops it from moving around. It does not come with the grid paper. You have to order that separately, okay? And it has little holes in it, so it basically fits right into your device, just like that. It comes with 2 magnets. And look how thin these are compared to the last ones. Now, just want to just show you a little trick. So these magnets, I don't know if you can see that. Those magnets are not as deep as the stamps. So you can put them quite close to the stamp when you're stamping. So you get 2 of those, and it sits on this is magnetic. So it sits on that, just like that. It does have a ruler up here, but because it's white on white, it's really hard to see. And there's a magnetic. This is centimeters and inches, I'm thinking. All I see is just centimeters. Oh, maybe if I pull this down, I might be able to see. Yeah, so centimeters and inches. And then this side also. And if you notice, if you look close enough, there's a triangle right there. I'm going to just show you a trick with that. These little things bounce up and down. And as you on your main plate, they bounce up and down also. So when you go to go to stamp, it goes up and down like that. And of course that's sticking because there's no magnet next to it. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have the little one, which would be good for like if you're doing multiple, if you want to do long sentiments on cards. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this one shortly. So now it also has 4 little springs, and it has 2 little holes right here, and those 2 little holes actually fit in there, and they actually bounce up and down like that. So quite simple device. I think it's going to be a huge hit. It's so much fun. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little how to make a wreath using 1 stamp set. And this is a 4x4 piece of cardstock. And why did I pick 4x4? I have no idea. But that's 4x4. And now I'm going to line it up within this triangle here. So I'm going to line that up like that. And I'm going to make sure this point here is on the center line also. I'm going to take my little magnets, put it on either side. Like that. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to ink up. Now this is going to be perfect for your little ink spots. I know when I was playing around with this earlier, it wasn't. I think I just banged the camera. So I'm just going to just take this, put it down. So now with this, if I say I missed a spot, I can go back and restamp over top of it. Let's just see. And I'm just going to move this quarter. Oops, I just put my arm in the ink. And line that up, line that up. Put these on like that. And now I'm gonna just ink up half of this, just to show you that we can go back in and re-ink the whole thing. And oh, I guess I didn't re-ink the whole. I guess I did re-ink the whole thing. Okay, so let's just take this off and we'll turn it. And again, make sure you're lining up your corner to corner and keep it in place with your magnets. And these magnets are pretty strong. And I love how these have these little flaps. Okay, so now we'll just ink that up, and I did it again. And oh, see, I missed a spot. Oh, no problem. Just gonna grab my ink pad, ink up the image again, and we'll just restamp it. Ta-da! And we're just gonna move this again, quarter. And again, make sure it's lined up. So I'm not making any cards today. I'm just showing you how to actually use the positioning machine. And look at, I'm getting ink everywhere, and it's going to drive me crazy. Put it all in the four corners, push down, and then ta-da. But you notice we have gaps in between here, so it doesn't, to me, it doesn't look like a circle. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, we're going to clean off the machine to get all this black ink off. So what I'm going to do now, oh my goodness, it's everywhere, is I'm going to just take this and I'm going to put it right between the 2 and the 6 inch. And I'm just going to test it. Yeah, looks good. So let's ink up the flower. That in the center and push down, and look at all the ink I got everywhere. So that's where I'm thinking your little ink spots would work perfect with this. So we're just going to turn it again, put it between the 2 and the 6, push all the way up to the top to the I guess these are, what am I going to call those? The paper holders or the spikes or whatever. They're not really spikes. Spikes seem to be big things. And ink it up. Now, if you have a smaller stamp, obviously your square is going to be a little bit smaller. I don't know why I chose those guys. I just did. Just cleaning this off. And then there we go. This would be a good investment. I'm not too sure. They said they were going to offer it to everyone else, but you will be paying for it. I think I paid $64 for mine. But then you can get yours for free. And there we have a perfect wreath. Now, how fun is that? Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this one to the side, and we're going to bring this piece in, and I have a piece of 2 by 8 piece of cardstock. white cardstock. Now I need a bunch of little bumblebees. We need to make some bumblebees for one of the projects we're doing for the crop. So I said I would stamp these little guys. So I'm going to just take this and then bring it down. And now I'm going to ink up the bumblebee. Put it into the holes and there's one. And now I'm going to he's going to be I'm just going to move it over one. Yeah. Just because I don't think I measured that very well. Anyway, so there's two. So I have to do like 40 of these guys. So this will be just, oops. Oh my goodness. Let's just ink them up again and let's just give it another retry. There we go. So when you join Stampin' Up, there's no obligation. Oh, I put too much on that. Oh no. There's no obligation whatsoever. You can, I'm gonna try it again and try and see if I can get more in. I don't think I can, but anyway, we'll give her another try. Plus it gets me how many more cute little bugs. Sorry, there's no obligation. You can shop for yourself and get a discount. So that's how I started. You can shop for friends. Friends can shop with you, or you can make a business. It's entirely up to you. But it is a wonderful company. They're so good to us. I'm going to just do it side by each and see how close I can get. Oh, I might be able to. Look at that. Oh dear, that was crappy. Yeah, so it's entirely up to you. When you get to certain levels, you get little bonuses. Gotta love that. But not every demonstrator is the same. Can't guarantee your outcome. Depends how much work you put into it. But it is a great organization to work for, and I'd love to have you on my team. There we go. Look at that. Get all these little bugs all done. How fun. And then I'll just die cut them all out. And we have our, oops. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put this little guy to the side. And I am going to grab a piece of cardstock. And I'm just going to cut this one down to, oh, I have a piece right here. I'm going to cut this piece down to 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to put this piece right there like that. And I'm just going to grab a stamp set. see. I'm just looking for just a sentiment, just a simple sentiment. That. What about this one? Happy day. Let's see how big that one is. I'm just going to try this one. Oh, and it's not long enough. I wanted to use the whole. See what we got here. There we go. We're going to use the seasons to celebrate, and we're going to use the congratulations. Yeah, must be. What color? Congratulations. Let's do that in red. Oh, let's do a melon mambo. Okay, so let's just try this one now. I'm going to line this up. Put my magnets on. Put the congratulations. I'm going to turn it this way. Almost right there. Take my apparatus. And I'm going to just put this on this side. Oh, make sure that's not in the way now. It's not. Close, but no cigar. Okay, so let's just take the Mambo, ink that up, put it on the device, and then push down. Woohoo, bring it down one, and we're going to push it down again. And then we're going to, one more time, see if we can get it really dark, really light. Oh, look at that, didn't work out. So let's just put this back on and then just see if it will. So. And let's just ink it up again. And do it in this one. And then bring it down and in that one. So there we go. Oh, that one didn't take either. There we go. So look at that. There's so many different ways you could actually use this brand new tool. I'm so excited. So excited to play with it. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, or if you'd love to get your hands on this tool, just let me know and I can definitely help you out. I would love to have you on my team. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me today. Greatly appreciate it. And I'm off tomorrow. So we shall see you on Thursday. So you have a wonderful day, and I will see you Thursday. See ya. Bye.